Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add captions automatically to YouTube Shorts. And here's how it is done. Search for the app CapCut and download it. Ensure you have the video file ready, either on your device or computer before launching CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Select and import the video you want to add captions to. Position the video at the start of the timeline. Tap on the text option. Select Auto Captions to generate subtitles automatically. Tap Start and CapCut will process the captions based on your video's audio. The time required for this step depends on the length of your video. Once the auto captions are generated, you can edit and style them. Tap Batch Edit to apply formatting to all captions at once. Modify individual captions using options to change font, color, stroke, shadow, spacing, and more. Add animations and effects to make your captions more engaging. Resize captions to ensure they fit well within the video and are not cut off. Once you're happy with the captions, save your project and export the video. Finally, open the YouTube app. Tap the plus button and select Create a Short. Choose the edited video with captions. Add any extra elements like sound, voiceovers, text, or filters optional. And that's everything you need to know about how to add captions automatically to YouTube Shorts. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.